Alright, little comparison between the 4 caliper and the 6 piston caliper, 11 and 14-inch rotor, and the hubs. They weigh like nothing compared to all this cast iron. Rotors are replaceable, and everything's quite a bit lighter. Getting all the new spindles and everything bolted up with new coilover shocks. Gotta make a special heim joint link for the end links for the sway bar. All new aluminum stuff here. A little riser for the center link to make these parallel to get away from bump steer. Should handle quite a bit different. And this will increase the casters quite a bit. I mean, vertical's about right there. So a lot of positive caster. It also increases, this is a 2-inch drop spindle for help lowering. Keep the geometry good. And you got adjustments up top here for the shocks. And what else? So yeah, it changes the roll center and all that for better handling. Had to cut out a huge area up on top there because these stupid things are 305s up front. And yeah, they're kind of wide. So lots of nuts and bolts and parts and bolting stuff together, and get this thing off the rack so I can drive it with a new transmission, hopefully.